Hello and welcome to Kokia Faina channel. My name is Loma and I broke my nail again. Remember when I told you until a few mental breakdowns when I end my videos? Well, not to be dramatic, but this nail break is at least 5 of them for sure. Since it's not my useless eagle thumbnail that broke down, but the glorious pointer. Ah, the horrors. This time I didn't even need to remove the nail polish to see around 2mm crack. I just ran my fingers through my hair in the morning and I swear I heard my heart breaking. Naturally, I thought to myself, maybe it's just a small dent I will be able to file down. Haha, haha. I believe this was the longest nails I managed to grow by far, but alas, all good things come to an end. So in this case we have a few options: use a teabag method, go to a professional to fix this, or glue it ourselves. If you are lazy like me, I personally recommend to be delusional like my dear self and gaslight yourself into thinking that it was in fact your choice to wear shorties and cut them all off. Please make sure to cut your nails after you cry, because blurred vision from the tears may help you cut your nails and your fingers at the same time. Bloop, bloop. Yes, exactly what I wanted. Now I cut the sides as well, since I never wear square nails because the air in my apartment is extremely dry and I have to have tools to remove mountains of boogers out of my nose in the mornings by scooping them up with my comfortably not square nails. Oh, and also round or oval nails break less. I probably should have led with this reason. Anyways, I shave my nails with a file while I'm at it as well. Notice how the nail polish we conveniently left on our nails helps us to see the nail shape better, so that we can make our roundness as even as possible. A very great life hack, you're welcome. After shaping, I finally removed the nail polish with acetone, affiliate link in the description. I noticed that there are some dead skinsies around my cuticle area, so I put on some cuticle remover and very gently removed the stubborn dead skins from my nails with a metal tool. The shape I have here is very comfortable for me, so I highly recommend it. I heard many people do not recommend metal tools as they can be too harsh, but honestly, in my experience, if you are gentle with it and do not push at all, nothing bad happens. Don't scrape like crazy, just a little zhuzh. Imagine as if you are wielding knives or something, if that helps you better. And not those knives they give you in pizzerias where it doesn't matter with which end you cut. I mean like sharp knives that cut through chicken breasts so well that you start thinking that the meat cutting isn't such a bad chore after all. Then I also very gently cut off those dead skinsies around my cuticle area with cuticle nippers. Again, be very careful not to cut yourself, don't go in too deep, just a little trim. About as much as females want their hairdressers to cut their hair ends, which is virtually nothing. Quickly or slowly wash off everything with running water and then make sure to remove everything from the nail plate with acetone. Now our very stained nails are completely ready to be painted. To ease myself into short nails that I definitely wanted, okay, I will use nudes. Starting with Mooncat's Get an Even Nail Primer just to cover the stains a bit and even out the overall tone of the nail. Then I added Mooncat's Sandpiper to give my nails a little more pizzazz. Topped it all off with Mooncat's Speed Demon and oiled up the cuticles with Mooncat's Nail Elixir. Whoops, a little too much, but all good. I am not planning to do any work today anyways, so it's gonna be like an oil mask. And there you go guys, my entire broken nail routine. No, but they are looking kind of cute, or is it just me? Haha, see? Gaslighting yourself works wonders. Staying delulu is always the solulu. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in a few mental or nail breakdowns. Bye!